Welcome to Specto Technology. In this video, we'll show you how to change the filters on an Aeroqual air quality station. To complete this process, you'll need an Aeroqual monitoring station, replacement filters, and a power option. Let's begin with an Aeroqual equipped with a Nephelometer. Start by making sure the station is powered off. The sample line is located at the top, and the purge line is located at the bottom. Using a flathead screwdriver, turn the fitting counterclockwise to loosen the filter. Pull the line free and remove the old filter by separating it from the line. Install the new filter, then screw the sample line back into place. Repeat this process for the purge line. Note that the sample and purge filters are different colors and sizes, so be sure to install each one in the correct location. Once the filter change is complete, power the station back on and perform a flow check to confirm there are no leaks. We recommend inspecting the filters again in 1 to 3 months. You're all set. Now let's change the filters on a profiler. Begin by confirming the station is powered off. Lift the filter from its holder, then remove the front and rear elbows. Be sure to match the last 2 digits of the new filter with the filter being replaced. Insert the new filter, making sure it is oriented correctly between the elbows, and press it back into the holder. Repeat this process for the purge filter. Once both filters are replaced, power the station back on and perform a flow check to confirm there are no leaks. You can use the link in this video or in the description to complete the flow check. We recommend checking the filters again in 1 to 3 months. You're all set. Finally, let's change the filter on a PCX. Start by making sure the station is powered off. Using a flathead screwdriver, loosen the filter by turning it counterclockwise. Replace the filter, then reinstall the filter holder and tighten until it bottoms out. Once the filter change is complete, power the station back on and perform a flow check to confirm there are no leaks. You can use the link in this video or in the description to complete the flow check. We recommend checking the filter again in 1 to 3 months. You're all set.
This video is brought to you by Specto Technology, a world of solutions.